Yes! Hey sister, it's me, your Ate Foca, and for today's video, kakain tayo sis. Yes, kakain tayo. Alam niyo ba yung trending dito sa TikTok, sa Facebook, at kung saan-saan pa na chocolate na galing dito sa Dubai na kunafa at saka pistachio? Well, wala tayo nun. Wala tayo nun, be. Hindi tayo makabili, hindi natin makuha ang chance kasi nga nasa trabaho ako and alauna or alas 2 yata ng hapon nag-o-open yung shop nila. Sinubukan ko na 2 beses, girl. Nung nasa checkout na ako, dahil bigla na lang nawala kasi sold out na daw. So, ang tanging magagawa lang natin dyan syempre, maghanap tayo ng alternative. When we say alternative, dahil eto yon. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo, meron akong nakuha from Noon. Not just one, but 3. Hey, Noon Food, baka naman. So, meron tayong nakuhang 3. Yes, 3 po siya. And it comes with 3 flavor. Okay, one is pistachio kunafa. Second is Nutella kunafa. Ayan. Third is coconut kunafa. So, lahat to kunafa, dahil. Of course, we need to taste test this. Hindi ko pa natitikman yung trending na chocolate na yon. But, wala tayong magagawa kasi ito lang yung meron tayo. But, let's give it a try. The name of the brand is actually Big Daddy.
Yes,
okay?
Daddy.
Big Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey, Big Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Big Daddy. Alright, so first is the pistachio kunafa. This is a perfectly toasted kunafa pastry filled with creamy pistachio and rolled in rich and smooth chocolate. So let's give it a try. Let's open it. Oh, la la. So it looks like this. Oh, girl, even the look, it looks the same. Look at that. There you go. I don't know what's the term. Laminated ba ang tawag dun sa ewan ko lang. So let's see. Okay, ito na yun. So look at that. Ewan ko kung nagpo-focus pa sa camera, but look at that. There's a green filling inside, which is, of course, it's the pistachio. So let's give it a try. In fairness. One more bite. One more bite. Yeah, it's really sweet. You can really taste the pistachio, but not too much. I like it. But let's give a chance to the other flavor so that we can compare what's the difference between the 3 of them. Second is the coconut kunafa. I'm very curious about this. Okay, second. There you go. Same packaging. And the choco bar looks like this. There you go. Let's give it a try. This is coconut. Oh, okay. There's a white filling inside. The coconut flavor is very strong. Okay. Oh my god, this is so sweet. It's super sweet there. Like, extremely sweet. Of course, the third one, Nutella kunafa. Let's open it. Same packaging. And this is how it looks like. Yellow. Let's give it a try. Of course, it's a chocolate. Oh my God, this is so sweet, ate. By the way, I got this for 22 dirham each. Bahala na kayo mag-convert sa pesos. Dahil. Okay, so first, my top one is the pistachio, ate. For me, ito yung hindi siya sobrang tamis. Okay naman. But I think 2 or 3 bites, okay ka na. You cannot finish the whole bar sa isang upuan. Ang tamis niya, te. Second for me is the Nutella. Girl, okay na okay siya after mo kumain. Parang, but I suggest isang bite lang, ganun. Parang Milo na tinunaw yung nasa loob niya dahil. But of course, it's Nutella. Nutella, baby. Nutella. Third is, of course, yung coconut kanafa. Kanafa? Yeah, coconut. Hindi ko lang siya feel, hindi ko lang siya masyadong feel kasi it's super sweet, like super OA duper sweet Pro Max. Ganun yung lasa niya, girl. Super sweet! Diabetes, girl. Diabetes ang aabutin mo pag ito yung kinain mo. Now, the question is it worth it? I would say yes, if gusto mo lang matry. Of course naman, sister, if you really love sweets like me, I suggest yes, but pwedeng ito lang ang i-take mo, yung kanilang pistachio. Kasi, masarap siya, be. Sa truck lang, walang etchos. Pero the two, hindi masyado. Like, okay lang. So, there you go. That is only our short video for today. I hope you learned something.